March has officially closed in a green, snapping and closing that 5 month losing streak for Bitcoin. And that could be a much bigger signal than most people realize.
The end of the ugly news. Let's switch gears into the bad news category. Fear and greed is 11 for crypto. Still extreme fear. We are now like 14 weeks of extreme fear. That's got to be an all-time record. And that's kind of in line with nearly, 5 months of red Bitcoin. War, 7 different gray swans. It's just ugly as hell out there.
5 months of red done. Bitcoin just closed March green. 68,500. Up $2,000 today. Trump says Iran war ends in weeks. Oil dropped. Markets pumped. ETFs just had their first positive month since October. 5 months of selling over. And the price barely moved. That's not weak. That's strong.
Just ugly as hell out there. Carefully. In fact, if anybody's asking, why are stocks and assets going down? Well, it's because oil is going up. It's that simple, my friends. Actually, let's check on the price of oil right now. I actually look at it all the time. It's $101. That's good. It's 105, 106 yesterday. So it's going down. It's going down. It's good news are happening. Now,
weak confidence and uncertainty across the market. And when you get a streak like that, it usually signals one thing: retail capitulation. And that's the phrase where weak hands get shaken out, retail loses confidence, and even experienced investors start questioning everything. And here's the important bit. We've actually seen signs of that happening. Long-term holders, the people who normally never sell, have been selling at a loss. And historically, that only really happens near market bottoms. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around 68,000 US dollars. But the key thing isn't just the price, it's the structure. Because March has now officially closed in the green, which means the 5 month losing streak is now done. Momentum has shifted and buyers are stepping back into the market.
Half of all Bitcoin is at a loss right now. Everybody who bought above 68K is waiting.
We are not out of the woods, not even close. And the Bitcoin ETF flows so far this week are positive, also good. Last week, negative, not good, but not too badly negative. But so far positive despite the fears in the market. And I have a quick little summary of 3 bullish signs for Bitcoin. I don't want to sound like the hopium guy, but there's certain things that are happening that is kind of interesting, which might explain why Bitcoin price isn't tanking. First of all, global M2 hit another new all-time high. And we know all assets, risk assets, hard assets correlate with global M2. Bitcoin correlation broke, but that broke for different reasons. Will it catch up? Maybe, but we'll keep a close eye on global M2 just in case. And I'll dig a little bit deeper into the exchange supply shock, but that is dropping as well. And there's a ton of crypto capital on the sidelines, 320 billion plus, and the ETFs are positive. So it is not cataclysmic, despite what people may think. Yes, global liquidity is a problem, private liquidity is a problem, macro is a problem, economic strength is a problem, all that type of stuff. There's a war going on. But the resilience of Bitcoin is something to behold despite the backdrop. And that's what's important to look at.
Probably won't tell you on YouTube. This is a transition phase, not a confirmed bull run, not a super breakout, not a confirmed bear market.
69K is the wall. Break through it, supply dries up. Lose 65K, it gets ugly. Losing streak done.
And over the last one day, we've finally seen, at least in the short term, a decent bounce in the US stock market. Now, at least as of right now, we've not seen enough confirmation to fully confirm that this is the end or the reversal out of this bearish trend. Once again, we don't have enough confirmation to say that is the case, at least not at the moment.
ETFs buying again. Iran peace talks. 68,500. Resistance at 69K. Subscribe. See you tomorrow.